Hi everybody, Desert Guardian here. Just wanted to do a quick install video putting some grips on a 1911. So here we have my mid-80s Springfield Armory Master Grade Competition Model A. It's a long name, but that is the model of this 1911, and it came just as it sits. This is exactly how it came built. So let's go ahead and clear it, make sure we don't have anything in there. So the Master Grade Competition Model A came with these awesome full wraparound Pachmayr grips on it. It had a beaver tail on it. It had the adjustable sights, that really super high-vis, high front sight, a match grade barrel, which originally had the little jeweling on it, but it's kind of worn off. I mean, the thing's getting pretty old. But this is the way it came from the factory. So it's kind of a classic. I've left it exactly how it came, but I want to throw some VZ grips on it today. So figured I would invite you on board and show you how easy this can be. So we're going to go ahead and take off the full wraparound Pachmayr grips and replace them with some VZ Elite Tactical Carry G10 grips. So what we're going to need to do is we'll get out our little Torx bit here. Actually, probably make it easier and just use the Allen version of it if it's the right size. Of course not, that would be too easy. There we go. And we'll take out the screws on the frame. And most grips are not a full wraparound grip. So you take out 2 screws and you take off that side. But this one, being the wraparound Pachmayr grip, is one piece. So we have to take out all 4 screws. Oh, that one's in there tight. And then the grip will come off. So this is going to change the feel a lot on this, going from a kind of a thicker rubbery grip and going to a very aggressive G10 material grip. These are also a thinner line than this. So we've got all 4 screws out. So the grip actually sits on a little post, and these have probably been on here since 1986. So we'll give them a yank, pop that off. Full wraparound, and there's the wraparound Pachmayr grip that we're taking off. So I always like to make sure we're clean underneath here. Like I said, this is kind of a classic. I want to make sure that we're not grinding any dirt into it or anything like that. So just give it a quick wipe down. Then of course your grips, there's a left and a right. So this is the right side, so we're going to put that one on first. We just drop it on and put 2 of the screws back in. Now you don't need to put these screws in super tight. Just get them snug, and you're good to go. So put these 2 guys back in. Flip it over. Take care of the left-hand side. Just drops on like so. And we'll put the screws back in. And we are ready for action. So there you have it. And that totally changes the look of the 1911. So now we have a more aggressive G10 grip on here with those VZ grips, designed to fit perfectly. You know, it is a great feel. I can't wait to get it out and shoot it with these. I run the same grips on my Springfield TRP and really like them. So we took off the old, look, this is 11 of 89 maybe. You know, might have been a date stamp on there. So this is kind of a little bit of an older technology. This was an early version of checkering the front strap, but they work fantastic. I'll never get rid of them. I'll probably put them back on from time to time, but for now, that's it. That's how you install a set of grips on a 1911. It's pretty quick, pretty painless. So it's one of those things where you can really change the look of your gun and it's quick and easy and simple. Doesn't require any gunsmithing tools other than either a flathead or an Allen, depending on the screws that are on your 1911. But as you can see, it really changes the look. It really makes it look nice, and it's going to have that really positive grip with these G10 grips. So that's it for now. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to leave them below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And go ahead and subscribe, man. I love having all the subscribers on there, and I have videos coming out, you know, a couple times a week. So that's it for now. Desert Guardian, out.